The University of Nebraska-Lincoln has created a new digital tool to help ag producers determine the appropriate application for nitrogen in their fields. The tool is an updated version of the corn N calculator and is designed to increase efficiency of nitrogen use as well as ease of record keeping. The new tool automates a process that previously relied on paper documents and Excel spreadsheets. The goal of the update is to help producers increase profitability and environmental stewardship.
Nitrogen is essential for corn production and soil fertility, and most farmers are applying nitrogen to their fields, but it can be really challenging for them to determine what the optimal rate is for a given field and a given year. And part of that reason is because nitrogen is really dynamic in the environment. So it's very mobile, and this can cause a lot of challenge in determining the optimum rate to both maximize productivity, so making sure we're applying enough nitrogen to optimize our production, but also making sure we're not over applying, which can have negative environmental impacts. So the tool will allow producers to put information in that's unique and specific to their fields. So things like their soil characteristics, organic matter, irrigation practices, residual nitrate sampling. They're also going to put in a yield goal, and we've added kind of a little component there where they can use this tool to determine what a realistic yield goal is based on past production of the field. And so after they get all their field-specific information in, the tool is going to give them a recommendation or a prediction of nitrogen need for their individual fields. We're also going to give them some additional information. So beyond just that nitrogen rate prediction, we're giving them some score and an opportunity to kind of benchmark where they're at with their nitrogen use efficiency. And from there, give them some guidance on maybe some things that they could consider doing differently if that's not in an optimal efficiency zone. The tool is also going to allow them to save their inputs so that they can keep that for record keeping or use that to more easily make purchasing orders, and really trying to make it a more comprehensive tool that not only captures the specific information for their field, but also provides them a little bit more context on how their field is performing with nitrogen efficiency.
With the mobile-friendly version of the tool available, there is little need to rely on pen or paper or perhaps spreadsheets, as you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips.
Nitrogen formulas have been in existence for some time, but generally we're doing those maybe with a pencil and paper or a complicated Excel spreadsheet. So this tool is online. You can bring it up on your computer in the office, or you can bring it up and it's mobile friendly on your phone or tablet on the go. And so the idea is really to just make it very user friendly, very quick, try to make it more time efficient for people, and just really make it as easy as possible for people to get this information to make a more informed decisions. And really the goal is to improve their bottom line as well as the environmental considerations as well. And so this is really one tool that's available to them. We have a suite of tools that are available for producers in the precision ag space as well. Things like variable rate nitrogen management, sensor-based nitrogen management, fertigation. And so this is just one piece of that puzzle and can be one of the tools in the toolbox to help with nitrogen management.